lead aircraft?
All is actually flying with formation. All they are doing is basically hanging on to an exact position on his aircraft.
So a display like this takes complete trust between all the pilots. They have to have complete faith in Paul that he's doing his absolute best to keep the aircraft in one spot. You hear those commands by
People call it the chicken walk.
in the Air Force it's called chair flying. Chair flying.
I thought that's what they did in Canberra. Giving you a lot of directional control is also used to keep the aircraft in that one position. A lot of work involved in that. A lot of concentration, and it is